You are hereby called to serve as a missionary of the Church of Jesus Christ.
You have been
of
recommended as
Latter-day
one
Saints.
worthy to represent the Lord as a
We
minister.
place in you our confidence.
Greater blessings and more happiness than you have yet experienced.
You are assigned to labor. I've dreamed of this day, I pictured it so many times. My family and friends, we separate and say goodbye.
Junjun Agustin po, Elder Junjun Agustin.
Elder Agustin.
Yes po.
Tarlac
Tarlac po.
Dear Lord, I'll be who you want me to be. And oh my Father, for thy help I do pray, as I testify to the ones who lost their way. My purpose is clear, I know I am here to share thy love, dear Lord. The field is white, the time is right. See through different eyes and walk in different shoes, ever searching to find the one waiting for truth. In this place where few still believe, hold the light and help them see. I know your plan. Lose myself to find out who I am. I know you. All I have I'll give. Oh my Father, for thy help I do pray, as I testify to the ones who lost their way. My purpose is clear, I know I am here to share thy love, dear Lord. The field is white, the time is right. Days felt like weeks, weeks felt like days, 2 years felt like a dream. I've loved, I've lived, I've laughed, I've learned, I've built so many memories that change the difference. I've tried to make the people and friendships that'll never fade. The best days I've yet to see. Quebec, you are a part of me. And oh my Father, for